In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money with Sendwave to the Philippines step by step. Let's get started right away by visiting the Sendwave website. Once you're on the website, you'll see a clear option where you can click to sign up. Go ahead and click on the sign up button. This is your first step towards sending money swiftly and securely to your loved ones in the Philippines. Now, you'll need to fill in some personal details, enter your full name, email address, and US mobile number, then create a strong password and specify where you live. Remember, using a strong password is crucial for keeping your account secure, so include numbers, symbols, and a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters. After entering these details, make sure to review Sendwave's policy very carefully. This will ensure you understand all the terms and conditions associated with your account. If everything looks good to you, click on Sign Up to proceed. You'll then receive a verification code sent to your email or mobile number. Type this code into the appropriate field on the website. This is a security measure ensuring that it's really you trying to access the account. Once you're back on the platform, enter your email address and password and then click Log In. This will take you to your Sendwave dashboard where you can manage your money transfers easily. Next, let's add a recipient. There will be an Add Recipient icon located on your screen. Clicking on it will give you two options. You can either add someone from your existing contacts or you can add a new recipient. Choose whichever option suits your needs. In case you decide to add a new recipient, you'll need to provide specific details such as their country, full name, mobile number, and address information. Once this is done, click on the payment method option. For payments to the Philippines, you might want to choose the GCash option if it's available, as it's a popular method there. After selecting your payment method, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to send. As you input the amount in US dollars, watch how the platform automatically converts it to Philippine pesos, showing exactly how much your recipient will receive. When you're ready, click on Continue to Send. Make sure your email has been verified. You'll need to opt into the app to facilitate the payment. You'll be prompted to add your payment method details and click Continue. Now, enter your legal name and date of birth to complete the process by clicking Finish. You'll have to select a document for identification verification. Choose the issuing country of your ID. If your card is readable by the system, select the option that confirms this and proceed to click on Submit Verification. Congratulations, you've successfully set up to send money with Sendwave to the Philippines. This simple process ensures your financial support reaches your loved ones swiftly and securely. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more of our guides for ease in using financial technology.